Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Prius rear windshield wiper. First, gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Now, locate the rear wiper arm and the old blade assembly on your car. This simple process takes only a few minutes. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the rear windshield until it locks into its upright position. Next, look closely at where the old blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with minimal effort. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear windshield. Be careful not to let it snap down. To finish, double-check that your new wiper blade is firmly attached and can move freely along the arm. Then, use a small amount of water on your rear windshield and test the wiper function to ensure it clears the glass effectively. Regular inspection and cleaning can extend your blade's life and maintain clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.